Salut Goku, tu fais quoi ce week-end? Si t'es dispo, viens nous rejoindre à la SoMAD.
It was a typical Friday afternoon in my office, and one of my amazing friend and colleague asks me this question.
Tu fais quoi ce week-end? Si t'es dispo, viens nous rejoindre à la SoMAD.
I'm like, what? She goes by explaining it was an adult fun games which is held at each year in Ile-de-France in a place called as Torcy next to a nature park. French people from all ages will come and participate. Wait. I've been living in Paris for the last 4 years and I haven't heard about this. On my mind, as soon as I hear the word nature park and adventure games, my mind just goes into orgasm. And then this happened. Hello.
Hello.
Who is this?
Ça va Goku? Tu passes à la maison? À la maison?
Ah, okay, pass it.
Petit café ou un thé?
Okay, perfect. I somehow ended up here at Mary's home and had an amazing chat with our family, and off we go. This is where it gets even more crazier. Bonjour. Je cours pas. Je just prends la vidéo pour moi tout et après faire la petite vidéo.
One is mine. I made all for the teams.
They prepared a bunch of stuff and all of her crazy friends.
Hello everybody! Hello America, US! Jessica, I come from France. Disneyland is here and we are here to sing!
30 seconds later, this is the result. Amid all of this, one spectacular spot actually caught my eye. I see this island in the middle of a lake, which is so beautiful. Since I only know about this in the very last minute and all of the tickets has been sold out and I'm unable to participate in the game, and I was like, okay, let me shoot all of my personal experience. During all of this fun adventurous stuff, I noticed one thing. They are all enjoying like an younger kid, as if they forgot all of their ages and let their inner kid come out. At the end of the day, it's all about having a good time. If you're a person who's new to the country and would like to make new friends, then definitely don't stay at home. Take a look out for events on meetups and Facebook groups. Join an activity club. It doesn't matter, it can be a cycling club. Take part in any kind of activities voluntarily. When you do a common activity which is also shared by the fellow people, then you might become good friends. This is how I personally enjoyed the fun by taking part in this kind of adventure activities, flying the drone, speaking French and making new friends. Crazy things always happens in France and you might never know. Just like me not knowing about this despite living in Paris for the last 4 years. Well, if you like to take part in this particular adventure for the next year, then follow the link in the description. Nice t-shirt, huh? It's time to go crazy and let your inner kid come out and go so mad.